Hi, you are watching Kids Screen Learning.
A is for albatross. A big bird that can fly very, very far. B is for bluebird. A small bird with pretty blue feathers. C is for canary. A tiny yellow bird that loves to sing. D is for duck. A water bird that says quack quack. E is for eagle. A strong bird that flies high in the sky. F is for flamingo. A tall pink bird that stands on one leg. G is for goose. A big bird that honks loudly. H is for hummingbird. A tiny bird that flaps its wings very fast. I is for ibis. A bird with a long, curved beak. J is for jay. A bright blue bird that is very smart. K is for kingfisher. A colorful bird that catches fish. L is for lark. A small bird that sings sweet songs. M is for macaw. A large parrot with rainbow colors. N is for nightingale. A bird famous for its beautiful singing. O is for owl. A night bird with big round eyes. P is for penguin. A funny black and white bird that can't fly. Q is for quail. A small bird with a cute little head feather. R is for robin. A friendly bird with a red chest. S is for sparrow. A tiny brown bird that lives near people. T is for toucan. A colorful bird with a big beak. U is for umbrella bird. A bird with a fancy umbrella-shaped crest. V is for vulture. A big bird that cleans nature by eating leftovers. W is for woodpecker. A bird that taps on trees with its beak. X is for Xanthus's hummingbird. A hummingbird with green and brown feathers. Y is for yellowhammer. A yellow bird that loves open fields. Z is for zebra finch. A small striped bird from Australia.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.